before I even started vlogging today, we went to a lake, and that wasn't the beach. It said it was a beach, but it wasn't. But yeah, so I'm about to show you guys like where we're at. We're in Charleston, by the way. Like not in Charleston, but somewhere in it. Like I don't know how to explain it.
Like on the edge of Charleston.
Yeah, like on the edge of Charleston. Why are you hiding?
She doesn't want to be in the video.
But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this bridge. So hold on. So y'all, we're coming up on this bridge right here.
Sophia acting scared.
I'm like kind of nervous, y'all. Like if y'all can't see that bridge, like look how tall that
It's a
bridge
little
is.
humpback whale.
Oh my god. Okay, y'all. I've never been on a bridge like this. So this is gonna. No, I haven't. I have never been on a bridge like this.
Crazy.
Okay, slow down.
No, I'm not gonna slow down. You can't slow down on a bridge. Oh, back down. Exactly. Like what? You gotta. What are you doing? What is this dude doing on a bridge? There's a bike lane. Why are you carrying your bike instead of riding it?
Exactly.
Like,
Y'all, we're going on the bridge now.
what are you doing?
There's a man
Is it
with the bike. Well,
maybe
a
it's a
lady.
man. I don't know.
But yeah.
I think it was a boy.
So.
Well, if
that's
you look over there, you gotta. Yeah, you can see stuff.
And these are the cars. And there's Chandler. And there's Chandler.
There's the aisle. There's the aisle.
No.
The Isle of Palms.
So we're heading there, y'all.
Look at the beach, you can see it.
And there's the beach over there, you guys. What's up, y'all? So we just got to the beach. Andrew's having like a very hard time. I don't know if y'all can see her right now, but she's having a very hard time, y'all. A very. Yeah, just maybe down like a little bit. It's like really super windy out here, y'all, but it's really chill.
Alright. I think this is good.
I'm just laying my shoes down because everything is like super heavy. On the beach in Chandler.
Alright.
There's baby Raylan.
Alright, I'm gonna turn off the towel.
What's up, y'all? So we got on the beach and we took pictures, and they came out awesome. And Raylan's over here crying. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's crying. She's not crying. She's like,
She's just screaming.
so far away. Everybody else is pretty much on the shores, and it's like freezing cold. Like, it's not freezing, it's just the wind. Look, he's all the way out there. But it's not even that high though. You know what I'm saying? Because we're like all the way right there and it's not even that high. What's up, you guys? So it's currently the next day, y'all. When we got back home, I went straight to sleep. Like I literally didn't wake up until 11:52. When we got back, because we got back around like 6 something. So I was asleep since 6 to 11, y'all. Like I was like completely tired, and we barely even did nothing. But I just got so tired where I slept from 6 something, y'all, to 11:52. Like 'cause that's when I woke up. But I'm gonna end this vlog right here. So yeah, that's really all we did. Like I'll insert some snap videos or whatever, like on the beach and like us in the car or whatever. But hope you guys enjoyed this this vlog to Charleston. I don't know what the title of this vlog is gonna be, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. So